Expressions of period. Time duration, hour. Ichijikan, 1 hour. Nijikan, 2 hours. Sanjikan, 3 hours. Yujikan, 4 hours. Gojikan, 5 hours. Rokujikan, 6 hours. Nanajikan, Shichijikan, 7 hours. Hashijikan, 8 hours. Kujikan, 9 hours. Jujikan, 10 hours. Nanjikan, how many hours? Used to ask about the number of hours. Minute. Ipun, 1 minute. Nipun, 2 minutes. Sampun, 3 minutes. Yunpun, 4 minutes. Gupun, 5 minutes. Rupun, 6 minutes. Nanapun, Shichipun, 7 minutes. Hapun, 8 minutes. Kyupun, 9 minutes. Jupun, Jipun, 10 minutes. Nanpun, how many minutes? Used to ask about the number of minutes. Period, day. Ichinichi, 1 day. Futsuka, 2 days. Mikka, 3 days. Yokka, 4 days. Itsuka, 5 days. Moika, 6 days. Nanoka, 7 days. Yokka, 8 days. Kokonoka, 9 days. Toka, 10 days. Nanichi, how many days? Used to ask about the number of days. Week. Ishukan, 1 week. Nishukan, 2 weeks. Sanshukan, 3 weeks. Yunshukan, 4 weeks. Goshukan, 5 weeks. Rokushukan, 6 weeks. Nanashukan, Shichishukan, 7 weeks. Hashukan, Hachishukan, 8 weeks. Kyushukan, 9 weeks. Jushukan, Jishukan, 10 weeks. Nanshukan, how many weeks? Used to ask about the number of weeks. Month. Ekagetsu, 1 month. Nekagetsu, 2 months. Sankagetsu, 3 months. Yonkagetsu, 4 months. Gokagetsu, 5 months. Rokagetsu, hantoshi, 6 months. Nanakagetsu, Shichikagetsu, 7 months. Hachikagetsu, Hakagetsu, 8 months. Kyukagetsu, 9 months. Jukagetsu, Jikagetsu, 10 months. Nankagetsu, how many months? Used to ask about the number of months. Year. Ichinen, 1 year. Ninen, 2 years. Sannen, 3 years. Yonen, 4 years. Gonen, 5 years. Rokonen, 6 years. Nananen, Shichinen, 7 years. Hachinen, 8 years. Kyonen, 9 years. Junen, 10 years. Nanen, how many years? Used to ask about the number of years. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!